Ang mga government officials ay pwedeng i-correct yung kanilang statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth kahit ito ay na-submit na. Ito yung recent decision ng ating Korte Suprema sa kaso na isang government employee na tinanggal for failure to submit a proper statement of asset and liabilities. Ang sabi sa accusation against him when he was removed from office is that he concealed millions worth of real properties, motor vehicles, business interest, and loans. And ito ay naging empleyado ng Department of Finance. At ang kanyang sweldo nung araw from 126,000 to 210,000. With this, he was able to secure 2 houses and lots worth 4.1 million. Nagkaroon siya ng farm, nagkaroon siya ng maraming vehicles, credit card debts, na sabi ng ating gobyerno beyond yung kanyang capacity to earn. And dahil dito, nahanapan siya ng butas sa kanyang SALN at siya ay tinanggal. Parang yung pagkatanggal kay Chief Justice Corona noong araw, SALN ang naging dahilan. Ang sidebar ng storyang ito yung nag-amok sa Resorts World nung araw. Siguro sa dami ng kanyang problema, si Jesse Javier Carlos, siya yung nagwala sa Resorts World at nanunog at pumatay ng mga tao, probably complicated by his kaso doon sa Ombudsman as well as the Supreme Court. Ngayon, week na ito naglabas ang decision ng Supreme Court na sabi dapat binigyan ng tsansa si Carlos na i-correct yung statement of assets and liabilities niya. And when he submitted it on time, under Section 10 of Republic Act 6713, ito yung Code of Conduct of Government Officials, hindi ibig sabihin na sarado na kaagad yung SALN na sinabit niya. He has been and he should have been given time to correct whatever entries that he made there para mag-comply doon sa disclosure. At hindi siya dinismiss ng Ombudsman for grave misconduct and gross neglect of duty for failing to disclose yung kanyang mga assets. Because of this, ang naging rule na ngayon ay kahit nakapag-submit ka na ng SALN, you still have a chance to correct it, to adapt and to conform to the actual assets that you own and you have.